Hi guys, NCWQ here. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I haven't been on. I've been really busy today. I was away from home for almost 10 hours. Had lots of things to get done and take my kids to go get completed. And finally getting home, I am wore out. And before I got home, I found out that there was a 6.3 earthquake in Hawaii. And let me see if I can find it here. It says 5.7, but came in as a 6.3. And anyways, that was followed. And I had told my friend, I said, just watch out for the West Coast. And they had a 4.7 earthquake in Los Angeles. So take a look at where this area is here on Google Earth. And for those of you who might be wondering, I'd done a video last night. I was going to change the name of my channel. However, I guess YouTube's having some kind of issue, and it's not just me that it's affecting, it's other people are affected with not being able to change their channel. So this is a canyon here where this earthquake hit, and we'll look see where the closest faults are. The closest fault is over here, and that's the Malibu Coast Fault. Um, let's see what goes through this area. We can see that up here is the San Andreas, which runs up through here. But this is one of the littler faults over here near Los Angeles, and that's the Malibu Coast Alt 2. So this one is capable of a 6.6 earthquake. But this here is a area which is a canyon, as you can tell. So we'll check news real quick and see what's in the area. So let's go here. California earthquake. See what news there might be. Came in as they say a 4.6. It struck near Malibu and rattled Los Angeles area. And that 6.3 also hit in, they got it downgraded to a 5.7 earthquake that struck off the southern coast of Hawaii on Friday morning. So wait 1 second and let me go get you the thing for it. I'll show you a picture of what was taken for it that was sent to me. So you can see this is the area where this earthquake hit. It was downgraded to a 5.7. It came in as a 6.35 kilometers southeast of Neelehu, Hawaii. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing that correctly. So that was the earthquake that hit in Hawaii. It was offshore. So let's see if we can find that on EMSC, and we can look on EMSC at the area. So there have been aftershocks from the earthquake in California, and I assume there's going to be more aftershocks. There may also be a potential for a bigger earthquake. I was looking, and 4.6 could be a foreshock. We're not going to rule that out. Okay, so Hawaii, the earthquake so far, they've got the 5.7 here. So we're going to go back up here to the 5.7, which is today. We're going to see where EMSC shows that this earthquake was. Remember, for every action, there is a reaction. So my thought was when it hit Hawaii to watch the West Coast. And when I told my friend that, I didn't realize that a earthquake was hitting in California. So this one shows on land here. However, the picture that I showed you shows that it's off land. So this one here shows Pahala area here. and that's where the 1868 earthquake hit. And then this is Pahala here, but this shows where the 1868 earthquake occurred, and that was the largest recorded in the history of Hawaii Islands, causing a landslide and tsunami that led to 77 deaths. The earthquake occurred at 4 p.m. on April 2nd, 1868. The aftershock sequence for this event has contributed to the present day. So you can see that this is close to where the one hit for 1868. However, I'm just looking at the other picture, which showed that it was more offshore than onshore. And we can see that there has been many aftershocks for this earthquake. Let me show you this real quick. So I took pictures. I took screenshots of the quakes. I can get this to go over for me. Huh, we can do it this way. Okay. So these are the sequence of events of 4.7, 2.8, 2.8, 2.3, 2.2, 2.0, 2.1, 2.1, 2.0, and 2.2, all greater Los Angeles area, California here. They are all in the same vicinity of each other, so not much difference there. Then this was California's earthquakes for today. Showed the Big Island, and then I was just showing the ones that weren't showing up when I was looking. So I was taking a picture of those. And then Channel Islands region area, we're having earthquakes offshore Northern California, Southern California, Central California, offshore Northern California, Central California. All of those earthquakes have hit today as well. And I'm sure that California is going to have aftershocks from the earthquake that hit earlier. I believe that it was probably bigger than a 4.7. I believe that it came in as a bigger earthquake, and I'm sure that it's going to be a bigger earthquake than it is being said that it was. So let's see here. Came in 12 kilometers northwest of Malibu. There was a 4.6. 12 kilometers northwest of Malibu, 4.6. Reading the same one. Oops. They, I've got a copy here that was sent to me. Okay. The automatic readings were 4.6, 5.0, 5.0, 4.8, 5.0, 4.9, 5.3, 4.4, 4.2, 4.4, 4.2, 5.0, and 4.8. And I'm thinking that this quake may have been a 5.5. So that's my thought. Um, can take it as it is. Just what I'm thinking, considering the fact that there's ongoing quakes from this one that are in the 2 range and above 2 range. There was also a 5.1 off the coast of southern Peru. Anyways, you guys, just wanted to jump on and talk to y'all a little bit about it. Please be prepared. Don't be scared. Have a plan. Know what you're going to do if a big earthquake strikes the area you're in, what you can do to stay safe. Um, Follow Emergency Management Associates channel. He gives a lot of things that you can do to keep yourself safe. Um, there are other big channels out there that you can follow, and they as well work as far as safety and knowing what to do to keep yourself safe. Anyways, you guys, much love, God bless, and I hope y'all have a great evening. By the way, as far as my channel name goes, it's going to stay the same until I can figure out how to change it. Just know that what I posted below my last video is what I want the name of my channel to be, so that is what I'm going to think of it as. I have already changed my group to being NCWQ Worldwide News and Disaster Explorer, and that way you can see the fact that we post as much as we can on here about everything in the world. Um, it's news and everything else. Anyways, you guys, what else? Um, yeah, it's 57 degrees here. Was a nice day out. Didn't have to wear any big jackets or anything. I enjoyed my time with my kids, but I'll tell you what, I am very, very tired right now. All right. So if you want to help support my channel, below my channel is links. You don't have to watch the videos. As always, they are for you to hopefully help you in any way that they can. Much love, God bless, and have a great evening.